Yeah, I was sitting up here talking and wasn't even recording. Oh my goodness. Anyway, this is another corded buttonhole video. I made a total of 13 videos, all of me doing this. And I'm just learning this. I can make a buttonhole, but corded buttonholes, this is a whole new animal to me. And so, yeah, it took me 13 videos. I added up the time. It was like 3 hours. So I'm not going to post all of them because it's just me making these. I am going to save the videos in case I need to need a video real quick to feed the algorithm so it doesn't kick me off, because it's already 9:30 here on the West Coast, and I don't even know if this is going to load in time. It's only 4 minutes. So, but yeah, I needed to get something in real quick. So, yeah. I would appreciate it if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, share, get the word out. I make all this stuff myself. So it's just me touching the fabric. There aren't like 15 million people touching the fabric. I don't put any finishes on the fabric. I've been doing a lot of research, and apparently there's a video out there of people discussing how many people touch your clothing when it's being made, and there's another video out. There's a ton of videos and websites out there about the chemicals that are put on not only the fabric but the finished garment as well. So I make all of these. I don't put a finish on them, so you guys know. It's just me doing all this work that you see. And if you guys like this stuff, I would appreciate it. Again, if you would like, comment, share. And I have to do all of those. Yep, it took me 3 hours to get through all this because I'm just now learning. So yeah. Again, I'm not gonna load up all of those videos because it's just me doing the same thing over and over again. Unless, again, like I said, I need a quick video to feed the algorithm. I kept having to remark the fabric because it was a challenge. It was a challenge. I'm not going to do this on the white jersey with the flocked in lining, with the green tartan pockets, green and white tartan pockets, plaid pockets, whatever you want to call them. I'm just going to put regular buttonholes on them and leave it at that, because it took way too long. And there's a waste of that cord right there. I didn't like that, so I have to pace myself for the next time I do this, because that pasting, wasting of that cord it got to me. So we're coming to an end here. Again, I appreciate you guys watching. I have to find I think maybe I can find a better way to do this where I don't waste so much cord. Anyways, coming to the end here. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.